13 mistakes to avoid as a man to succeed. If you want a better life, don't destroy yourself while you are young. Nobody really sits us down and tells us this. Life just keeps pushing you until you either learn or you break, so please understand that I am sharing this with you as someone who truly cares. Number 1, do not chase women, but rather grow with one who also wants to grow. There is nothing wrong with love, but chasing women when you are still broke and lost is dangerous. You'll start spending money you don't have. You'll start begging for attention. You'll lose focus. The right one won't stress you, she'll build with you. Number 2, don't rush into heavy responsibilities you are not ready for. Marriage is not just feelings, it is pressure, it is bills, and it is sacrifice. If you're still trying to stand, don't carry what will break your back. Build yourself first and then choose. Number 3, don't replace purpose with pleasure. Scrolling, useless vibes all day, it feels small but it is killing your hunger. You wake up tired with no drive and no vision. That is how dreams die quietly. Number 4, control yourself. If you can't control your urges, you can't control your life. Everything starts there. Discipline is not noise, but it is daily choices. Number 5, don't borrow to look rich. Buying phones, clothes, lifestyle to impress people, they don't care. Now you're in debt, stress, that's a trap. Number 6, stay away from gambles. Gambling looks easy until it finishes you. You win small, then lose everything. It teaches you to wait for luck instead of working. Number 7, don't sell yourself for fast money. Scam money and dirty deals. Yes, it comes fast, but so does fear, stress, and problems. No peace, no respect, no future. Number 8, watch your friends. Your circle can upgrade you or finish you. If all they do is drink, chase girls, and waste time, you will become the same. Environment is everything. Number 9, stop wasting time like you have plenty, sleeping all day, no plan, no direction. Years will pass and you will still be in the same place. Number 10, take care of your body. Bad food, no exercise, no discipline. You are killing your energy. Remember, a tired body creates a weak mindset. Number 11, learn something that can pay you. Motivation won't feed you, skills will. If you don't know how to make money, life will humble you hard. Number 12, learn to stay alone. If you always need people, you will accept anything. Silence builds you. Loneliness teaches you who you really are. Number 13, stop trying to impress people online with fake life, fake happiness, and fake success. Meanwhile, real life is suffering. Build in silence and let results talk. Finally, nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not luck. It is you. Either you wake up now or life will wake you up later, painfully. If this video hit you, drop a 100 and also subscribe to join the Discipline family and share the video with who you love and wish good for.